Welcome to this guide on creating a clear video response. You do not need professional equipment or advanced editing skills. The goal is to communicate your learning clearly in a way that is organized, understandable, and accessible. Start by identifying the purpose of the assignment. Consider the learning outcome, the main question you need to answer, and the ideas you want the viewer to understand. Everything in the video should support that purpose. Before recording, prepare a storyboard, outline, or set of speaking notes. Your final submission should include the planning document, the completed video, and a written transcript of the spoken content. Review the instructions carefully before you begin. Confirm the required length and whether the video should include narration, animation, an interview, or another specific format. Make sure the information is clear, relevant, and logically organized. Professional equipment is not required, but the viewer must be able to see and hear the response. Face a window or soft light source. Place your device on a stable surface and check that the picture is in focus. Record in a quiet space. Begin with a title that clearly identifies the topic and purpose of the video. Include your name so the viewer immediately knows who created the response and what the presentation will address. Use your own original work whenever possible. Images, music, graphics, and video clips created by someone else must be in the public domain or licensed for reuse. Free sources may include Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, and the YouTube audio library. Record the title or description of each item and the URL where it was found. When another person appears in the video or participates in an interview, explain how the recording will be used and get permission before recording. Include a release form when required. Save the finished video in an accepted format, such as MP4, MOV, or WMV. A transcript is required, so the spoken information is also available in writing. Add captions whenever possible and review them for accuracy. When traditional video is not suitable, another digital format may be used, such as narrated slides, a screen recording, a digital story, or an audio presentation with visuals and a transcript. Watch the entire video before submitting it. Confirm that it demonstrates the required learning, follows a clear structure, and can be seen and heard. Check that all outside materials are credited and that the planning document, transcript, and any required release forms are included. Thank you for reviewing this guide. You are now ready to plan, create, and submit a clear, organized, and accessible video response. Let's begin.